This simple equation is a psychological trap that claims thousands of victims every single day. Most people see 8 minus 8 times 8 minus 8, and their brain goes into autopilot. They think easy, 8 minus 8 is 0, 0 times 8 is 0, and 0 minus 8 is negative 8. Some people stop even earlier and shout 0. But here is the cold hard truth. Both of those answers are completely wrong. Wait a minute, did you just fall for it? Do not worry. It is a design flaw in the human brain, not your intelligence. But before we reveal the secret shield that protects you from these traps, hit that subscribe button. It helps Dr. Equation grow and it keeps your brain sharp. Alright, let us solve this calmly. Mathematics is not a suggestion. It is a system of laws called the order of operations. We use BODMAS, brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. The most important rule here is that multiplication always comes before subtraction every single time. You are legally forbidden from subtracting that first 8 minus 8. Your eyes want to do it because it is on the left, but the law says we must calculate the product first. 8 times 8 is 64. Now we rewrite the expression as 8 minus 64 minus 8. Now that we only have subtraction left, we move from left to right. First 8 minus 64 gives us negative 56. Then negative 56 minus 8 gives us the final destination. The final absolute and only correct answer is negative 64. Not 0, not negative 8. Just pure logical negative 64. Tricky questions are designed to rush you into a mistake, but once you know the rules, you never fall for the trap again. Subscribe to Dr. Equation for more logic-defying math, and I will see you in the next one.